If you're new to my channel, please view Introducing 1400 Plus Roots. Welcome to Dr. Lee's Anatomy Academy Compound Term Series. Joint System. Compound term, Coracoacromial ligament. Brief definition, ligament between the acromion process and the coracoid process. Term morphology, compound of coraco plus acromium. Coracoid is derived from corax, the crow or raven. The beak of this bird became a metaphor for the coracoid process. The acromion process, highest peak of shoulder of the scapula. There you have it, Coracoacromial ligament. Compound term, Coracohumeral ligament. Brief definition, accessory ligament of the shoulder joint. Term morphology, compound of coraco plus humerus. Coraco is derived from corax, plural coraces, meaning crow or raven. This bird's beak has become a metaphor for the coracoid process. Humerus is, of course, your arm bone. There you have it, compound term, Coracohumeral ligament. Compound term, coronal sutures. Brief definition, the cranial joint between the frontal and the parietal bones at the coronal plane became the coronal sutures, figuratively crown-like sutures. Related term, coronary ligament. Brief definition, attaches the meniscus to the tibial condyles in the medial and lateral aspect of the knee joints. Term morphology, corona plus aerium. The function of coronary. Corona means crown or tiara. Aerium denotes a function or a location. There you have it, coronary sutures or coronary ligament. Compound terms. Compound term, coronoid process. Brief definition, bony projection resembling a crown, the mandible and ulnar head. Next term, coronoid process of the mandible. Brief definition, projecting bony landmark of the ulna and mandible resembling the crest of a crown. Another related term, coronoid process of the ulna. Brief definition, projecting bony landmark of the ulna at the proximal end. Another related term, coronoid fossa of the humerus. Brief definition, the fossa fits in the coronoid process of the ulna during elbow flexion. Term morphology, coronoid process. Corona is crown tiara. Oid meaning suffix denoting simile. There you have it, coronoid process. Compound term. Compound term, costochondral cartilage. Brief definition, cartilaginous part of the ribs attached to the sternum provides flexibility for the upper trunk. Term morphology, compound of costo plus chondros plus allis. Costo is derived from costa, meaning rib or the side of animals or person. Chondro is derived from chondros, meaning gristle or cartilage. Allis is a suffix that forms adjective, meaning pertaining to. There you have it, compound term, costochondral cartilage. Awareness of the metaphors and imagery of the terms will help you learn faster and recall with ease. A good command of anatomy and physiology terms will inspire confidence in your professors and colleagues, and you in your own abilities. Dr. Lee's Anatomy Academy, a small step back, a giant leap forward to the mastery of anatomy and physiology. Subscribe, like, ring, and share.